Okay, welcome to everyone over at Cellino Plumbing. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how to increase your traffic online. Okay, so right off the bat, I actually really like your website. This little video here, this trailer is great. Not a lot of people do that. Okay, you guys do a lot of services here. You guys got a lot going on. This is near what 40-50 page website. Whoever did this, I mean, they did a pretty good job. All right, I do like this. This is great. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. Okay, content is anything that's on your website, even when a picture is saved as. So the picture should have your name in it. So I'm not sure if that does. Regardless, we'd like to see Cellino Plumbing in it, and that's because Google goes through and starts ranking your website, therefore putting it more on the front page of Google. Alright, so that's the first thing. Second thing, when I typed in your business name, I didn't see the Google My Business pop up in this right corner. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys have done that, but that's something that we definitely need to do. Okay, so we could talk about that. Get your Google My Business up. And the second thing was actually a citation. A citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number, and that citation will go into your Google My Business. So that is something that we could talk about doing for you. All right. So Plumbers, Buffalo, New York. I typed that in. I wanted to see what would pop up first. I see you guys got your Google Guaranteed here, which is great. I prefer those over Google Ads because people have Google ad blockers on their sites, on their devices. The Google Map Pack, you guys aren't showing up in the Google Map Pack. That's something that we gotta do for you. All right. Angie's List. This is where the directories start. You know, directory is simply a website that lets businesses put their information on their site. So Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, Facebook. What else? LinkedIn, stuff like that. And then we get into the organic listings. So you guys pop up first in the organic listings, which is awesome. Okay. The third and final thing I wanted to show you today, I wanted to talk about today was backlinks. And backlinks, they have a lot to do with this organic section. Backlinks are simply another website out there is pointing to your website, right? So you put an ad in another site at some point, and it's giving potential traffic, therefore again putting you on that front page of Google. Okay, not all backlinks are created equal, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that in a moment. So this is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. This is definitely something that you could do on your own, but I know business owners are very busy. So I'm going to go over these numbers with you. All right. You guys are sitting at a 34 URL rating out of a 100-point scale. All right. That's how much trust that Google has in your business. And the domain rating, you guys have a 17. So that's how much power that Google gives your website. And you guys have 344 backlinks, or referring domains giving you 5.4 thousand backlinks. So historically, you guys have had 708,000, but these are the ones that are active. And right off the bat, I can tell that these backlinks aren't doing a lot for you because this number is so low. Okay, so if we had quality backlinks, this number would be way higher. Okay, organic keywords, you guys are ranking for a lot. You guys are bringing a good amount of money and a good lot of traffic monthly to your website, which is awesome to see. So keywords, this is a topic I definitely want to touch on. This report will be discontinued on September 20th. Organic keywords 2.0. Oh, okay. That's cool. The website's updating. Regardless, keywords are super powerful because if we can rank first position for all of them, we will be on the front page of Google everywhere. We would be getting the most calls. Okay. I believe you guys might be the top 1 or 2 in Buffalo. Okay. I'm going to show you a competitor in a moment. But keywords literally can be anything that someone types in on Google. And as you look in the monthly volume here, you guys are 12th position for gas, which is simple. 7 million people look for that monthly. Okay. You guys are ranking first for obviously your business name, water heater repair service near me. 800 customers, you guys are ranking first. Okay, so if you really take that into perspective, think about how much 800 customers a month could do for you. That could change lives. That really can make businesses go absolutely crazy. A lot of potential there. Okay, leak detection near me. 2,100 customers a month. You know, you're in second position. You're probably getting most of these customers. Okay, you guys are getting thousands of customers a month. You guys are just building up that revenue. Whatever potential goals that you have for the business could probably keep stacking up. You know, the more keywords that you rank first for. Okay, this takes a little bit of time, but at the end of the day, look at all these thousands of customers you could be getting. You know, I'm going to show you this competitor, PCS Plumbing and Heating. All right, their website's all right. They got a lot of words, a lot of content on this homepage, which I like to see. And their numbers are a bit lower than you, but that's totally all right. 16, 2.9. They have a good amount of backlinks, not terrible. I want to see what they're ranking for. Organic keywords. Let's see. Oh, sign me out. Okay, try the next one. T-Mark Plumbing. These are your biggest competitors. Okay, they're the official partner of the Buffalo Bills. But hey, good for them. You know, they got a lot of content on this website here. These are their numbers. Okay, they're bringing in a lot of traffic. So this URL rating number is slightly higher than yours, but their domain rating number is a little bit lower than yours. Again, because this number of backlinks, I mean, it's not the number, it's the quality over quantity. Again, their backlinks are spammy and it's not helping them out. So if this will let me click it without having to sign in, it's not. Okay, so it timed out, which is fine. You guys pretty much have keywords. You have an idea of what you're doing, definitely. We just got to get first position for a lot of these, 2,600 customers, 3,800, 6,000. We got to get you to that first position for these. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Okay, a lot of content here. Okay, a lot of potential. At the end of the day, you're the hero of the business. I'm just the guy showing you a couple tips. All right, so if you want to work together, definitely let me know. Okay, I'm gonna leave my information in the email I send you. If you're not looking to work together, get some work done, that's totally fine. Enjoy these free tips. Run off with them. Give me some feedback on if this video was informative. I'd love to hear back from you. All right, I appreciate it. Have a good one.